What's up guys, Raul here, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you a formula we use to craft irresistible offers in your cold emails. And once you learn this, you'll be getting so many responses back from prospects that you don't even know what to do with them all. The best part about this is once we have a great offer, we can scale infinitely using Instantly.ai. We won't be sending this to just one or two people, no. We'll be sending this offer to hundreds, if not thousands of qualified prospects instantly. Think about it. Even if you get back 10 responses and you close 2 of them, that's thousands of dollars in your pocket every month from watching a free, simple YouTube video. So I won't waste any more of your time. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's hop onto my computer. All right, so let's take a look on the best offers for 2023 for cold email with templates. I'm not gonna hold everything back. You know, everybody says like they're gonna make like a 20-minute video and they're gonna give you like teach a man to fish, whatever. I'm gonna just give you the fish. Like take the fish, eat it, use the fish to catch more fish. I'm giving you straight fish. Let's get into it. So I call it ABCD offer formula for cold email. Super simple formula for creating high converting offers. So here's what it is. You can go from A to B in C with D like E, where A is their current situation, B is their desired situation. So taking them from A to B. In C, in the time frame, with D, your service, your offer, like you did for E, their case study. So for instantly, quick example, you can go from spending 1K a month to 97 a month today by switching to instantly like Vis-a-Vicom did. So it's like super simple example, but most agencies are struggling with this. You're doing so many different things. You're offering so many different options and you want to write everything down in your email. Stop doing that. Make it as simple as possible. You can use different variations of these. You can add, you can take some stuff away. You can try like this for saving money. You can use another angle for making money. But all people want is a transformation. They don't really care how you get them there if you get them there. So forget about all the services you're doing, all the long list of features, everything like that. Just simple from A to B in C and how you help them do that. So let's take a look at some examples and then we can get into the actual offers. So this is the bad version, and this is what most of you start with. Let's say, so this is for instantly. It's all true, but just listen to this. Imagine you get this email. What's your response? Like, hey, for the last year, we've been busy at work and we've created a proprietary software where you can connect email accounts with any provider, warm up email accounts with our best-in-class warm-up algorithm, create cold email campaigns with follow-up sequences, and AC testing and optimize campaigns. Plus, we give you all of our templates and materials to help you succeed. Our team is super experienced and we're using Instantly ourselves every day, and that's why all our clients are loving us. We have over 10K clients and you can check out our reviews in G2. Want to jump on a quick 30-minute call to chat if Instantly might be the right fit for your company as well. So everything is true, but it's just like so much information compressed into just like one email to complete stranger. And this is like maybe even short, like some emails that are received for you for roasting, they are even longer. And it says like so many about the things. For example, here, they're going to go into the list of things, connect email accounts, warm up emails, create cold email campaigns, follow AC testing. So all of this is true and it's cool, but you guys, the clients, don't really care about this. Like if you're an agency and your goal is to grow to 10K MRR, that's what you want to do. That's what instantly helps you do. You don't care if you have the best warm-up algorithm or not if you get to 10K. Like who cares? You don't care if you can do AC testing, if you can't do testing, if you get to 10K. Just get me to 10K, whatever it is that you do. Like if you can get me to 10K and it makes sense monetarily, like let's go, let's do it. So try to figure out the core of your offer, the main benefit of your users, like what you're offering, and write it down as simple as possible. So here are some examples for instantly. You can go from spending 1K a month to 97 a month by switching to instantly, like with a Vcom did. Or you can go from 0 to 10K MRR in 3 to 6 months with instantly and our accelerator like Levi did. Or you can go from 1 to 2 sales calls a week to 5 to 10 a week with instantly, like we did with our lead generation agency. So try this exercise and try working out the best levers of your offer and mix and match them, figure like what works best. And it might be that some numbers, some metrics are more important to some niches. For example, if you're targeting CEOs, they're mostly focused on revenue, maybe lowering churn. If you're targeting, I don't know, HR or marketing managers, they might have a little bit different goal. So you want to tie these into the person that you're targeting. So now let's go into the fish like examples. So TikTok ads. So here, hey John, out of the blue question, but have you thought about TikTok ads? You could go from 0 to 10K a month revenue on TikTok in 60 days with our done for you influencer ads. Mind if I send over info on how we did it for Nike? Best. And here you can see like the first sentence. You can use personalization whenever you want. I really like this approach, like just asking about their relevant question about the offer or KPIs. So just asking like if they're thought about TikTok ads and then telling them like what we can do. They can go from 0 if they don't have any ads right now to 10K month revenue on TikTok in 60 days, your average time that it takes with your TikTok offer. So be as specific as possible here. And you can add stuff like with a downflow your insert ads, that's completely based on performance. And here's again, I didn't add the case study straight to this. I added to the call to action. Mind if I send over info on how we did it for Nike? So once you have this A, B, C, D, E, you have all the variables, you can start experimenting, putting them in different directions, and also figuring out like what's the best what's the best variable here to use where they're currently at. Is it 0 from TikTok ads currently, or maybe it's they're already on TikTok, they have 1K followers, they want to get to 100,000 followers, and you're really good at getting the followers. Is it visits from TikTok? You can get to 100K visits from TikTok that will tie into this many clients for your business. So this is up to you to figure this out. I'm just giving you the initial formula and you can start experimenting with this. So the next one, commission only sales. So this is a really good offer. Like if you're good at sales or if you know any sales reps, try this. This works great. Hey John, out of the blue question, but how much are you paying your reps right now? I could help you add 50K in revenue in 90 days as a commission only sales rep. Mind if I send over info on how I did it for instantly? Best. So here you help them. I've actually taken away the A, just going straight to B, showing them where I can get them to, just adding 50K revenue. But you can ask, for example, like, hey, how much, or if you know like how much revenue they're making monthly, they posted on Twitter, they're at 100K a month. Like, hey, I can help you go from 100K a month to 200K a month in 6 months as a commission only sales rep. Mind if I send over info on how I did it for this client? Or, hey John, out of blue question, but how much you're paying reps right now? I could help you go from 20K MRR to 50K in 90 days as a commission only sales rep. So again, we start from where they are right now, where we can get them to, what's the time frame, what's the service, and is your client, is your case that have done this before? So again, same simple template, simple formula, but it works. Like it's straight to the point. It resonates. Imagine receiving this email as a founder, as in, like, for instantly even, like, how would I say no if a sales rep reaches out and tells me they're going to get me clients based on commission? Like it's a really no-brainer deal. Okay, let's go on to another one. Twitter growth agency. So now with Elon Musk in charge, Twitter's like biggest as ever, like most active that it has been. More companies are coming to Twitter. There are already some Twitter growth agencies out there, and Twitter growth agency is going to be a really lucrative niche in the next years. Pretty sure of it. So here's one example. Hey John, out of blue question, but how many clients are getting from Twitter right now? You could get 5 to 10 sales calls weekly with a ton of free Twitter outreach. Mind if I send over info on how we did it for Apollo? Again, super simple. And for the A, where they are at right now, you can use followers. Hey, I can help you get from 1K to 100K followers in a year. Visits, I can help you get from like 1,000 visits monthly to 10K visits monthly for your website. Calls, I can help you get from 0 calls from Twitter to 10 calls, sales calls weekly. I can help you get from like 1, 2 clients a month from Twitter to 1, 2 clients weekly from Twitter. So whatever is relevant for your offer, use it here. And then B, 5 to 10 sales calls. And here's like, again, you don't have to offer like a time frame always. You can use like weekly, like every week starting from now. You can make it more precise if you want, but you don't always have to do that. Done for a Twitter outreach, that's a service, and a client like Apollo. Pretty straightforward. And then the last one, content repurposing or short form content, also really popular right now. We're using a short form content person for instant list videos, and it's only going to get bigger. Hey, John, out of blue question, but have you thought about creating YouTube shorts? You could go from 3K to 5K followers in 75 days with our short form video edits. No work needed from you. Mind if I send over info on how we did it for John Smith? So again, we can use a bunch of different variables. I used 3K followers here. You can use views. Right now you get like 100K views. I can help you get to 1,000,000 views from YouTube. Visits, I can help you get thousands of visits every month from YouTube, or I can help you get clients coming through a funnel every day from YouTube. 5K, we're going to get them to. How long does it take to get them to? And here, the service, short form video edits, and it's like super important. Like what sold me on short form content was like, it doesn't require any work from me. I just record these videos, we do podcasts, everything we create. Our short form guy just goes into your account, downloads them. I don't know even like what it does. Downloads them, splits them up using his editing software, adds some text, adds it, and like just go crazy, follow the structure. And it's like legit, no work needed from me, no work needed from the CEOs, the marketing managers. If you can offer this service, I would like scream this, like I would add this everywhere. No work needed from me. It's like 100% hands off. And then mind if send over info on how we did it for John Smith. So when we hired our sales rep or the short form content guy, I just like asked him like, do you have examples? And just like showed them. Again, we just helped this guy get 1,000,000 views on TikTok. I was like, yeah, it's pretty good. Let's do it. So you see, it's pretty simple. And the template I used is pretty universal. You can use it for pretty much everything. So in the beginning, you just want to figure out these variables, the A, B, C, D, E. Current situation, desired situation, time frame, your service case study. And don't stop at one in the beginning, like just write down as many as you think are important. Talk with your current clients if you have them. Ask them what were their situation when you started, what was their situation now. You can use the same formula, the same structure for case studies, like success stories. This is like perfect for that. We helped instantly grow from 100K MRR to 200K MRR with Facebook ads. Here's how we did it. Like this is like super strong formula for cold email outreach, for case studies as well. And keep your emails short. The main reason to do this, to follow this formula, is you want to do it like in 1-2 sentences. Stop doing this like long paragraph, long form, putting everything down. If you like, it's great that you have so many things to say, but you can use them in your follow-up emails. The first email, keep it short, keep it simple. Go after the main benefit of what you're offering, the main KPIs that your prospects are looking for. So hopefully this helped. Try it out. I'm going to leave this document in the description. If you get any value out of this, I would love if you subscribe to the channel for more free content like this. Like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.